Hello mga katinggo, mga ka-self-study. This is consonant 1. Okay, we have here consonant here, and we're going to write the sound and writing order. Okay, the sound of this. Okay, then this. Okay. Guys, and now we're going to write the writing order. Okay, writing order. This one we can write like this. 1, 2. Okay, and then the second one, 1, 2. Okay, the third one, 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then this one, 1, 2, kahit na alin dyan, guys. And sunod, guys, ay letter 1, 2, 3, 4. And sunod, this one is 0. This one, 1, 2, 3. And then the last one is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is the consonant, the sound, and the writing order. Okay, alright guys, bye. Thank you to all of you guys. Thank you for always watching my video. Sana po ay nakatulong sa mga gusto pong sa mga guumpisa pa lang po. Ayan. Bye guys. Good night.